All right. Good morning. So today I am going to be showing some new headphones I purchased. My last unboxing was of these, the Powerbeats Pro. I like them, but for what I need, they cost entirely too much money. I'm sure these retail for $249. I think these retail for $99. I got these for $180, including tax. And Best Buy price matched. I don't know how she did this, but I got these for like $52. So these are going back. I like them, but if I could find an equivalent set of much cheaper headphones, I will save the money. I don't need the Beats name or branding or cachet or anything like that. So today we have the JLAB Epic Air Sport True Wireless earbuds with active noise canceling. Also purchased from Best Buy online. I got them in a day, so even faster than Amazon and cheaper, So yeah, we got here a quick start guide, some information on how to pair them, and really what pushed me to this is I saw a few reviews online. It doesn't matter how they sound when you listen to them, when you play your music in your environment is what really matters. With the Powerbeats Pro, they sound fine for the music that I listen to, but where I need to use those, which is primarily commuting by train or in a loud environment where I just need it to be a little bit quieter so I can listen to my music or watch a video, they let too much sound in. I'm hearing all the creaking and bumping and grinding of the train. I don't like that. So quite a few more tips here, and you can buy other foam ear tips for that. But if they think about this, if they cost $250 full retail price, I need to go buy some more earbud or more ear tips in the aftermarket to get them to my liking. I'm good. I'll try the cheaper ones. These are less than half, even at the discounted price. So lots of different choices of earbud sizes there. Large, tall, large. I guess tall people have different ears. Cloud foam, tall, medium, and small. I want to say that right now, they probably just have medium by default. So similar to the Powerbeats, you have a charging case here. It looks like there's already a little bit of charge on them. A little cover to protect the things that actually charge them. And then this back here, built-in USB. I like that. It's kind of short, so whatever you plug it in is going to be dangling, but still there. What else is in here? So the tips, I think that's it. Is there anything? Yeah. I'm trying not to ruin the packaging just in case I might have to take these back. Oh, that's not really designed to come out. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in there. So that's it. These are the JLABs. I'm going to be giving them a shot. Those are definitely going back to Powerbeats. I like them. I like the look. They are comfortable. They just don't have a good fit in my ear. I hear way too much, which is fine. For outdoor exercising, you need to be aware of your surroundings. Biking, running, especially on some of the quieter paths that I go down, you should want to hear if someone's behind you. But that's my occasional use of those earbuds. The primary use is the commuting on the train in loud environments where I don't want to turn up my music to drown out the sound. That's why I choose earbuds. I mean, noise canceling headphones over the ear, they're fine too. And I might end up doing that, having the cheaper earbuds for my workouts and having a set of decent noise canceling headphones for maybe the more casual use that I'm not bouncing around. So I'm excited to give these a shot. I already tried them on just a little bit without any music or pairing, and they already feel a little bit more secure than the Powerbeats. I'll try the different tips, see what we got. But like I said, Best Buy price matched I don't know what retailer she found. I actually called them, went a little old school, called them, and she said, well, I can't price match Amazon because it wasn't fulfilled by and sold by Amazon. But let me see what I can find. And she found an even cheaper price. So yeah, I'm satisfied with that already. And yeah, I hope these work out. Not to say that they need to be better than the Powerbeats, but equivalent is fine. If they're equally as good, maybe let in a little bit less noise. And then they also have the active noise cancellation, which surprisingly, the Powerbeats at $250 retail price do not have active noise cancellation. I want to say the AirPods do, but Powerbeats do not. Okay. I don't know if that's an oversight or that's just how they were designed to let that noise in, but I don't like it. I don't care for it, especially at that price. So give these a shot and hopefully they are, I don't know if they'll be an improvement. Hopefully they just let less noise in, offer a better fit at a much lower price. And that's all I want.